Okay, tube, we're going to be turning this little dude, hope you can see him there. I'm going to turn this little dude into a puppet. He's a plush right now, and we're just going to make him into a puppet, and hopefully he'll look a lot different by the time we're done. Okay, so we're going to start with this piece of cardboard. Find my pencil here. And we're going to mark off the mouth area. And this is going to be the pattern we'll use for the mouth mechanism. Just like that there. We're going to need two like this. Take some duct tape. Actually, we'll go like this. Now, we'll make the part to go around your hand so that you can work, and a part to go around the thumb. How we do that, we take some duct tape, we're going to fold it onto itself a few times. Duct tape sticks to itself very well, so you want to be careful, be as accurate as you can. I'm going to use some hot glue here and tape over it to give it a little extra strength. Get the whole hot glue gun plugged in here. Okay, and while we're waiting for the glue gun to get hot, I'll get a part for the thumb. It's going to be about half the size of this one for the top of the hand. And fingers get stuck inside there. his face. Now with this one here, I'm going to end up, I'm going to be using ping pong balls on here for googly eyes, like big round eyes, and I'm going to be velcroing them on so that I can change the eyes. Sometimes I'll have like a half shut eyelid or maybe almost all fur on them to make it look like his eyes are closed, and then we'll be able to pull the eyes off and swap them out. Maybe have, I don't know, 3 sets, 4 sets of different eyes. So I'm not going to do anything with the eyes right now, okay? And I'm not sure about the nose. I may eventually paint it a different color. But what we're going to concern ourselves with right now is cutting a mouth in, okay? So you want to study this a little bit, study your plush a little bit, and find where the widest area is, and that's where we're going to mark them for our cut. Okay, so that's going to look like it'll be, in this case, right above here and across. So let's draw a little line there first. I'm using a paint marker here. It's a little bit better for me than a regular marker. It doesn't dry out nearly as fast. Okay. Now you want to look at the side of them and figure out where the jaw hinge would naturally be. And I guess would be about here. So you want to follow this line. Just kind of eyeball it to about there. Okay, see how that goes? And do the same thing on the other side. Take the widest part there and go about like that. Okay, that's going to be his mouth, with this part being the hinge. Your cardboard piece will hopefully fit back in there once we get them cut. We might have to trim some stuff up or change this a little bit, but we'll deal with that after we get this cut. And so, oh, excuse me, it's allergy season here in Florida. Okay, once we get this part, we might have to modify this, but let's get in here and get that cut and see what we have. Oh, we just all this out and save that for later. Okay, that's going to be his mouth there. Let's glance here real quick and see how this is going to fit. Okay. Now the test to fit, to make sure you got the cardboard part cut right. Okay, you want to make sure that your hinge, this part of the cardboard hinge, is going to meet up with where the natural jaw line would be, and that actually matches up pretty good, surprisingly. Okay. Trim off some of this black, or maybe I'll leave it there a little bit. It's going to be tucked in under anyway, so okay. Glue. Always, you want to be careful with hot glue. If for you young ones out there, or even adults that aren't sure what they're doing with it, you want to get somebody to show you how to use it or help you out with it. Okay, a little problem with the audio, so I'm just gonna let you know what you see in the video here. I'll be gluing the stuffing into the legs so that the stuffing doesn't come out. And always be careful with the hot glue, of course. You don't want to be doing the hot glue dance. If you ever got burnt with hot glue, you know what I'm talking about. And you'll see a little later on here where I'm attaching the thumb support onto the mouthpiece. And that's going to be pretty much it for this video. I'll be putting part 2 up in about a day, so keep an eye out for that, and thanks for watching.